Welcome to my Road Power TV channel. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz AMG G63 is more than just an SUV. It's an icon, a symbol of status, performance, and timeless design. In a world where trends shift overnight, the G63 holds its ground with a blend of raw power and unmistakable presence. Today, we're diving into everything that makes the 2025 AMG G63 a beast on wheels. At first glance, the exterior looks familiar, and that's intentional. The G-Wagon hasn't strayed far from its original boxy silhouette, and that's part of its charm. But don't let the shape fool you. This latest G63 has been refined with subtle aerodynamic tweaks, updated LED lighting, and a refreshed Panamericana grille that makes it instantly recognizable. The 22-inch forged wheels and aggressive AMG bumpers remind you that this isn't just about luxury. It's about performance too. Under the hood, the 2025 G63 retains its Powerhouse 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, but with new hybrid assistance that boosts both efficiency and performance. This mild hybrid system adds an extra jolt of power when you need it and helps reduce emissions without compromising the roar and feel of a true AMG. You're looking at 585 horsepower, 850 Nm of torque, and a 0 to 60 time of just under 4.3 seconds. That's sports car speed in a vehicle that weighs nearly 6,000 pounds. Driving the G63 is a unique experience. The elevated position, the solid feel of the cabin, and the deep growl from the exhaust deliver a level of engagement that few SUVs can match. Mercedes has fine-tuned the suspension and steering for 2025, making it more stable at high speeds and more comfortable during daily driving. It's still body-on-frame, still capable off-road, but now it handles with more finesse than ever. Inside, it's all about opulence. The cabin is wrapped in Nappa leather, with optional carbon fiber or open-pore wood trim. The new ambient lighting system has been expanded to offer more color zones and dynamic themes, making the interior feel like a modern lounge. You'll find dual 12.3-inch displays powered by the latest MBUX infotainment system. It's fast, responsive, and smarter than ever, with AI-based suggestions, improved voice control, and seamless smartphone integration. Mercedes has also added more customization options, allowing owners to tailor everything from seat stitching to dashboard materials. The rear seats are just as plush as the front, and with features like heated and ventilated seats, Burmester 3D surround sound, and rear seat entertainment, it's designed to please every passenger. Safety is top tier as well. The 2025 G63 includes the latest driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, active lane keeping, blind spot monitoring, and even semi-autonomous driving capabilities in certain conditions. The G-Class has always been built like a tank, but now it thinks like a smart one too. What makes the G63 special isn't just the numbers or the tech. It's the way it makes you feel. When you drive it, people notice. When you park it, it turns heads. It doesn't pretend to be subtle. It's bold, it's brash, and that's exactly what its drivers want. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling rugged trails, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz AMG G63 delivers an unmatched combination of luxury, capability, and charisma. It's not for everyone, and that's exactly the point. For those who want the best of both worlds, this is the SUV that defines performance luxury. We'll see you next video.